Welcome to another episode of Investing with you, Carlo. In this video, I'm going to be showing you another live trade, and that is a short with my favorite stock to trade at the moment, and that is FCEL. As I've said many times, the reason why I trade this so often is because it's so volatile. It's a lot of liquidity, a lot of volume, so there's a lot of movement that you can capture a few percentages from. So without further ado, let's get straight into the trade and show you what happened. So this particular trade, pre-market, it was actually down about maybe 4 or 5% at one point, and then it, closer to the market open, it rallied all the way to plus 4 or 5% or 3%. So it was big swings pre-market. However, I was still short biased. As well as the Dow, you can see on the left, it rallied a fair amount, so I was expecting some kind of movement to the upside and then for it to carry on going down. That was my thesis, and that's what I was expecting. However, as I always say, I want to remain open-minded and just see what the market is telling me. So now I've got my order ready. I'm ready to make that order as and when. I've also got my mental stop loss in place, so when I'm ready to make that order, I'm gonna put that stop loss ready, because it is all about risk management. I want to really get that sorted as I progress in my journey. So as you can see, an initial pump. Now I was thinking potentially it could go up to 1350, but as I said, I'm looking at the market. If it's telling me that it's going to stop here, then I will, of course, enter my trade earlier. So as you can see, I've already calculated my 2%. So I'm thinking, okay, where am I going to place my stop loss? And then I've got it rate 1340, that's 2%. Now this third candle is now telling me, okay, this is the time to enter my trade. We're going to go down at this moment. So I always aim to try and get a 2% profit. So there you go, I've calculated 2%. I'm going to move my profit taking over there. However, I was thinking this could go further than 2%. So I'm not going to set that profit order there. I'm going to wait and see what the market, how far it can go. The one thing I'll tell you right now, which I'm still learning to handle, is the fluctuations. Now, as you can see, I've got my 2% there, and I want to wait a little bit longer to see if it can go further, but I still get those anxious feelings when the price goes against me. So you can see I've got my finger on trigger to take my profit, and I actually got it at a good time. I think actually no, it continued going further down, but I'm still working on getting my whole mind in one direction, meaning I don't want to have to feel some kind of anxious feeling when my profits are reducing. I should just be calm and collected, cut those profits early on, and not have to feel any kind of those anxious feelings. But it takes time to really develop your mind psychology, so it's 100% able to just cut losses, cut profits, secure your profits easy without feeling any type of way, if that makes sense. So that is the trade right there. Secured a nice 2% profit. That's all I want. Take that every day of the week and then continue on with my day. Funny thing is, when I was looking at the price afterwards, is literally maybe 10 cents after that it reversed and then went all the way back up to plus $13. So I got at a good point. And one thing I'm still, although I understand this, my whole kind of mind needs to really deep it in, is the fact that price can turn around at any point. So you can't leave money on the table. You got to really secure the bag, as I did, but fully be fine with it. Don't be greedy with it. Don't expect more money. Just take your 2% and leave. Don't come back. Even after that, when I was looking at the price afterwards, I saw it rally all the way to $14, and I thought, I should get back in. and make another trade. Now, if I did make that trade, I would have actually been in profit. However, this over trading is also that feeling to want to get back in and not leave any money on the table. Is something I really have to nail down as well, because last week I made that mistake and lost a lot of profit. It cut into my profit by the end of the week. So that's another thing I really want to get nailed down, to be extremely disciplined and a consistent trader. So hopefully you got some value from that, from these live trades. I'm going to continue with these live trades and allow you to see my journey as it unfolds to becoming a consistent winning trader. So see you in the next video. Peace.